Vallejo presents its new range of airbrushes, precision, innovation, and ease of use for both professionals and hobbyists. Today we're unboxing the ProFinish 2-in-1, a versatile, high-precision airbrush designed to handle any kind of project. Inside the sturdy box, you'll find a detailed leaflet with everything you need to know about the model and its components, plus tips for use and cleaning. Add a personal touch with our Vallejo stickers, fun, stylish, and ready to make your setup unique. The set also comes with two practical extras, a quick-release connector for your compressor hose, making setup and breakdown effortless, and a solid metal wrench for nozzle maintenance. This model stands out for its sleek chrome finish, clean, professional, and built to inspire confidence from the very first glance. It features a reliable floating nozzle system, delivering a smooth, consistent paint flow for even results and a comfortable user experience. And when it's time to clean, the quick disassembly design makes maintenance simple and stress-free. The ProFinish feels perfectly balanced in your hand, offering control and comfort even during long sessions. Smooth, precise, and responsive, it lets you focus on detail and flawless results. It also includes a needle travel regulator, giving you exact control over paint flow, from ultra-fine lines to wider coverage, so you can adapt to every project with ease. To match your workflow, the AIRBRUSH comes with 3 interchangeable cups, letting you choose the right capacity for anything from quick touch-ups to larger-scale work. A model built to impress, reliable, precise, and designed to be a long-lasting tool that grows with your creativity. And for even more versatility, it includes 2 needle and nozzle sets, 0.2mm and 0.3mm, so you can switch between fine detail and broader surfaces depending on your needs. Vallejo Airbrushes, where creativity meets precision.